If you like quick crochet hacks, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Let's begin. On the top swatch, I use a chain 3 to represent a double crochet. If you look at the edges of this swatch, you can see that the pattern ended very spacey on the edges of your work. On the second swatch, I use a chain 2 and a double crochet back into the same stitch. It's not as spacey as the previous swatch, but the edges are a lot more bumpy due to the bulk of the 2 stitches being in the same space. Last, we're going to look at the foundation turning chain. As you can see, the edges are perfectly aligned and there's no spacey gaps on your work. So let's hop into the tutorial and see how this works. To begin our foundation turning chain, we're going to turn our work. Typically, we would chain 1, but not while doing a foundation turning chain. What we're going to do next, we're going to work 1 single crochet into this very first stitch right here. So place your single crochet. Okay, on a single crochet work, you'll notice you have 2 loops. This loop right here we'll call loop 1, and this loop right here we'll call loop 2. We're going to place a single crochet into loop 1, because if you go into both loops, you'll just unwork your stitch. So we're going to single crochet into loop 1. Single crochet. And that completes your foundation turning chain. It's now the height of a double crochet. If you want to complete a treble crochet, you would just single crochet back into that first loop right here to complete a treble crochet. And now it's the height of a treble crochet. But right now we're just working double crochets. So for now, I want you to continue placing double crochets all the way down your work until you make it to the other side, and I'll show you how to work your last double crochet into the previous row's foundation double crochet. We've made it to the very end of the row, which is the foundation turning chain, and let's take a closer look at this so you can see what you're working into. As you can see, you'll see 2 V's. The first V was, remember, the very first single crochet you put on it, and the top V is the second single crochet that you stacked. That will be the stitch that you'll be working into. So complete your double crochet in that very last stitch. And that's it. And that is how your work has such perfect straight edges all the way down on each side. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out all my other cool crochet yarn hacks. Okay, guys, I'll see you all on the very next tutorial.